So first question says, which of the following can be beaten into thin sheets? So here we
Zinc.
have zinc, phosphorus, sulfur and oxygen. So here we know phosphorus, sulfur and oxygen are non-metals, so they do not have metallic property. But
zinc is a metal?
yes, zinc is a metal and zinc can be beaten into the thin sheet. That property is called ductility. Malleability. Okay. So malleability is a property of metal in which they can convert into the thin sheet. So that's why zinc is a metal. So metal like zinc have that property. So answer will be option A, zinc. Okay. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Second question says the substance that can be flattened on beating with hammer. See again, same question but
Zinc granule.
Zinc granule because it
Zinc
is
granule.
malleable as it is a metal.
yes, see, crystal of iodine, no. It is non-metal. Sulfur is also non-metal. Coal is also non-metal. But zinc granules and zinc is nothing but the metallic part. So zinc granule will be the answer. So answer will be D. Easy or very easy?
So very easy.
Yeah.
Very easy.
So now we are going to discuss the third question. Third question says material which can be drawn into wire are called as ductile. Yes. Which of the following is not
The
ductile?
sulfur as it is the only
Sulfur.
Ductility is the property of metal. So silver is metal, copper is metal, and aluminum is metal. But sulfur is non-metal, so sulfur will be the answer. It is odd one out. So option C will be correct. Okay, beta? Very easy. Now we are going to discuss the fourth question. Fourth question says metals are generally hard. Yes. Which of the following metals is an accessory that can be cut into the knife? So we have
Sodium.
yes, sodium and potassium. So let's see, iron is hard, sodium soft, gold is and magnesium. So sodium is as so soft so that we can cut with the knife like vegetables. Okay. So sodium is option B will be correct. Is it?
Yes.
Sir, there are only three metals which can be cut, right, sir?
Beta?
Sodium, potassium, and
Only sodium and
lithium,
potassium.
right, sir? Which can.
Yes, yes, yes.
Sir, even
Okay.
lithium can be cut
Yes,
into.
yes, yes, yes. Fifth question we are going to discuss. Metal are generally solid. Yes, metal are generally solid.
Mercury.
Which of the following metal is in liquid state? Yeah, mercury, very easy. Okay, silver, aluminum, and sodium they used to present at solid state at a room temperature, but mercury is present in liquid state. So that's why mercury will be the answer. So option A is correct. Okay, now we are going to discuss the sixth question. Fifth is also done. Sixth question. Sixth question says metal generally react with dilute acid to produce hydrogen gas. Yes, we have gone through that reaction also. Which one of the following metal does not react with dilute acid at all? So magnesium,
Sir, copper.
aluminum, iron, see they are very reactive, but copper is least reactive. So the copper will be the answer. So option D is correct. Option D is correct. Okay. Sixth question is also done. Now, seventh one. The metal which produce hydrogen gas on reaction with dilute hydrochloric acid.
Sir, amphoteric oxides of metals, which is aluminium.
Yes, aluminum is the, yes, it is to form sodium hydroxide solution is let me check. Yes, because it forms amphoteric oxide, aluminum. Is it? So aluminum will be the answer. So seventh question is also done. So now we are going to discuss the eighth question. Generally, non-metals react with acid. So it is true or false? So generally, non-metal, yes, non-metal do not react with. Yes, no, it is not false. Non-metal really they do not react with acid. So it is true.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
React with acids, na sir.
No, non-metal react with acid. Yes, yes, yes. This question is wrong here. Wait a second. Non-metal reacts with acid. No, it is false. So option should be B. So let me edit the question.
Sir, so
Yeah, so let
sir, then
me.
the result change na sir.
हाँ बेटा.
Then the results will change na sir.
Yes. Okay, so option B will be the correct. Okay. Sorry.
I think
Okay, sir.
upload.
Yes. So edit is done. Where is answer?
Sir, I think you should click on update. Sir,
Sir,
update.
update.
Wait a second. We will make true, and here generally non-metal do not. So here we have to write do not. Do not. That
Yes,
will
sir.
do.
Because there are only some metals which we have to test it.
Yeah. So do not react with acid. So now that will be
Correct.
yeah. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir. Because there are only
update.
some metals.
About marks will change na sir.
Yes. Okay.
No, sir, marks will not change because earlier also the
Yes,
answer was true
yes,
only.
yes. Because the result is already generated on that basis
Sir,
only.
So,
Sir, I
but
have a
the
doubt.
people who wrote true, they'll
Beta,
get wrong marks.
listen now.
Sir,
First,
you wrote
see,
through.
before completing, going through your doubt, first we had to complete that 20 question, na beta? Then we will discuss about
Sir,
doubt.
if someone wrote true means they will get wrong na sir.
Yes, but that will be, the result is already being generated, na beta, through the app. So it is not going to change, but we will consider like who is right or and who is wrong. That will be, you will consider that I have right or wrong. What you have clicked on, true or false?
Sir, I click on false.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
so you are
Generally
then
non-metals
you are
react
right.
with acid.
Then you are right. Be confident on that. Okay.
Sir,
हाँ बेटा.
sir, it's my experience that many times the questions or answers are somewhat wrong.
Yes.
But
Because,
the questions in that what worksheet and the tests are always same. So earlier only I gave the worksheet, in that I take false, but it's shown wrong. So then in the test I take true. So now you change the answer. Now how it will be like that?
now if you will if you will get the same question next time, then that will be right. You will get the mark for that.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So now sodium is very reactive metal. Yes. So answer will be A. True. Is it?
Yes, sir. It's very active.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it is right. Then we are going to discuss about the 10th question. It says coal can be drawn into wire. No, it is
No,
false.
sir. As coal is a non-metal, it is not
False.
the.
Yeah, so false. So answer B is right. Then we have 11th question. Magnesium reacts with cold water. No,
False.
it is again false.
False. Reacts with
Yes.
hot water.
Yes, it reacts with only hot water. Now next question. All metal exists at solid. No, it is also false because mercury exists in liquid state at room temperature. So it is false. Okay. Easy.
Yes, sir. Very easy.
Yeah. Next. Gallium have a low melting point. Yes.
Yes, sir. 29
Yes,
degrees
true.
only.
Yes, it is
Yes,
true.
sir. Gallium, sir. You have also given this note in a notes.
Yes, gallium. Okay, next.
Yes, sir. Gallium.
Iron is blank reactive than copper.
Sir, more reactive than
Sir,
copper,
more.
as copper is less reactive than.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
yes. So you can check it from the reactivity series also.
Yes, sir. As copper is coming in the last, that means less reactive.
Yes, yes. Fill in the blank. Okay, so answer will be more reactive. Yes. Next, generally oxides of blank
Sir,
are
non-metals.
acidic in nature. Yes,
The non-metal.
I also
Yes.
wrote non-metals.
Yes, non-metal is right.
Sir, these answer sheets, did you correct yourself?
No, beta. Now I have made correction on that question only.
Sir,
That answer is,
before
generated by the topper app only. Okay.
Sir,
Yes,
the
sir.
wrong
Sir, no,
question answers
There
we will
is
get wrong only, no?
see, there is a IT team which is working for topper app.
Yes, sir. It's a
Right.
kind of AI.
Yes, that are taking care of all these things. Okay, beta.
Okay, sir.
So next we have 16
Sulfuric
question.
acid. Sir, turns blue litmus to red.
Sir, blue
Yes.
litmus to red.
See, A, you have to remember ABR. ABR means acid turns blue into red.
Red.
ABR, yes. So it is acid turns red, blue to
Blue
red.
litmus to red.
Yes, blue to red. Yes, answer is correct. Then we have 17th question. The reason,
Sir, sir, sorry to disturb, sir, but I have doubt in this question only in the 17th question.
okay.
Sir, I have
Give
given the reason that
for
metals
iron
are
is
generally.
construction buildings and houses.
Sir, I have given the answer like I have written iron is hard, hard and strong, so that's why we use it.
Yes,
Yes,
right.
sir. I also got
Sir, sir,
iron is a very hard metal.
Iron is a very hard, strong, and rigid metal and have
Sir, I
higher.
gave the answer. Iron is very strong and durable metal. That's why.
Okay, and have the high tensile strength. It
Sir,
can,
even we can also write it has the high
yes,
capacity of holding something.
sir,
yes, that is tensile strength.
sir, I wrote
Yes, sir,
iron
high
is
holding
strong.
capacity.
Sir,
Uh-huh.
sir, I wrote iron is strong and
Yes.
has high resistance.
Resistance of what? Not you have
Resistance of
to.
holding.
So for that you have to use the word tensile strength. Tensile strength.
Sir, I don't know that word, sir. That's why I didn't.
Okay, okay, okay. Don't worry. Strong and hard will also do. Okay. So
Even I have written that
iron,
the metal iron is hard and have high resisting power.
high resisting power. No, beta. For that again you have to use
Means it
high
can hold
tensile strength.
things.
It is capacity to hold something. Okay,
Excuse
that
me,
is
sir.
called, yes, beta.
Sir, I have written this answer in 2 lines. Like
Okay, okay. Like,
more informative, sir.
will you please repeat your answer? What you have
Sir,
written?
it is a hard metal. It has high tensile strength, and
Yes.
that is why it is used for building,
Yes,
constructing bridges and
yes,
houses.
right, right, right. So tensile strength you have to be used there. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I
So,
wrote it.
Sir, I got this question only wrong. I did not use the word tensile.
So
okay,
even I didn't use that's why it is wrong.
okay, okay. Not an
Sir,
issue, not an
even
issue.
me.
But you
So
got,
instead of that I have used it has high holding capacity.
okay, that will do also. That you have increased your power, the word power now, like high tensile strength.
Vocabulary.
Yes, vocabulary. Okay, now we are going to discuss the next question. Name the common non-metal that are used in our daily life directly or indirectly.
Chlorine.
Sir,
Chlorine
sir,
is
I
a
wrote
form of
oxygen.
salt. Oxygen is also
Chlorine.
Oxygen.
oxygen, nitrogen, chlorine, sulfur, and iodine.
The carbon dioxide.
No, we are not using carbon dioxide. We are releasing carbon dioxide. Plant are using
Sir,
carbon dioxide.
Sir,
Huh?
sir, I wrote oxygen and chlorine and their uses, sir.
Yes. See,
Sir,
in
I wrote.
Sir, I
salt,
also wrote helium. I also wrote
helium.
helium, sir.
How helium we are using?
Sir, in hot air balloons.
Oh, but we are not using in daily life. No,
Sir,
beta?
but today
Yes,
life
sir,
we don't.
because sir, even helium is harmful our lungs.
Yes, but we are not using in daily life, no. That's why it is not. It
Sir, we can
should
write
not be there.
argon as it is present in bulbs.
Sir,
But
but I have
without bulb
written
we can live also. So argon should not be there also. Only oxygen because we are using in breathing purpose. Nitrogen in the
fertilization, ma'am. Sir, fertilizer.
huh?
Fertilizers, sir. Sir, in
Fertilizer
fertilizers.
as well as in nitrate and nitrate that we are getting from the food,
Yes, sir.
and
Sir,
they
chlorine in disinfecting water.
yes, chlorine again present in our salt also, salt, sodium chloride that we are using in our daily diet.
And
Yes,
sir,
sir.
iodine is also
Yes,
present in salt, no?
sulfur is also like sulfur used in like vegetables It present in carbohydrate.
Sir, in rubber also sulfur is used for vulcanization.
Yes, vulcanization is process which where sulfur is used for the cross linking, so that elastic property of the rubber will get increased. Okay, so sulfur is again we are using an iodine. That salt that we are using in daily life, that salt contain iodine.
Yes.
So the iodine is also used for the antiseptic wounds.
Yes, antiseptic.
Sir,
Sir,
can we
sir,
write
I have
phosphorus?
that.
Instead of iodine, it is taken with alcohol.
Yeah,
Sir, can we write phosphorus?
phosphorus we are not using much, beta.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I have written carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, iodine, and
Carbon is
sulfur.
there. Carbon is also there. Carbon we are using very lot amount. Whatever the food particles that we are using, like cloth
Yes,
also.
sir. In,
Yes. Carbon should be there. Okay.
yes, sir. Even in chemical fertilizers.
Yes. Okay. So this is all about this question. Now we are going to discuss about the 19th question. Which of the following metal can be displaced as the other two metals from their salt solution? So that we have to check on the what?
Sir,
Sir,
zinc is the
zinc can
answer.
displace iron and copper.
Yes. And we
Because it
can
is
check
highly active.
and we can check this on the reactivity series.
Yes,
Yes.
sir. Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes. Next, last but not the least, 20th question.
Chlorine.
Which
Chlorine.
metal
Chlorine.
yes, chlorine is there. Yes, chlorine is there. So
Sir,
this,
instead of writing only chlorine, I have written the whole sentence that chlorine is used to disinfect water, and it's also a non-metal.
it is a very short question, one word. See, if this question will come in descriptive form and will only for 1 mark, then you can write chlorine also. Okay, but it is not like if you will, it will come for 2 marks, then you have to write more descriptive one.
Sir, for 19th question, I wrote zinc displaces iron from copper. I wrote it.
Zinc is the metal which replaces iron and copper from their salt.
Yes, sir. I didn't write in one word. I wrote a whole sentence.
Okay, that will do also. Okay,
Okay,
so
sir.
this is all about your test beta. Huh? Any doubt here now, Pallav?